2017 Dodge Ram 1500. Nice, beautiful lime color, green. It's got stock converters there and there. And it goes into a Y pipe 3-inch. And he ordered the Flowmaster kit. Just a muffler setup. Do a muffler swap for a Flowmaster right there. I'll give you guys the part number in a second. And then left the same tailpipes. And there's the old muffler right here. And the Flowmaster part number is 817633. It's the Outlaw Direct Fit from 2009 to 2019 Flowmaster Dodge Magnums. That's how they're installed. It's the Outlaw series. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. Nice green lime color. This is at idle. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Have a good one.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.